Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss clauses. This is the fourth part of our discussion. In this module, we will discuss adverbs and adverbial clauses. So are you ready? Let's start. At first, we need to know what are adverbs. Look at the definition. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. It tells how, when, where, why an action is done. Now see some examples. The first example, he walks slowly, modifies a verb. Here, slowly modifies verb works. That's why it is an adverb. Now see the next example. He is a very good boy. Modifies an adjective. Here the word very modified the word good. Good is an adjective, so it modifies an adjective. So in the definition we find modifies a verb. First example, modifies a verb. So slowly, look at the first example again. Slowly modifies the verb works. Second example, modifies an adjective. For example, very modifies the adjective good. And now see the third example. She came too early. Okay, modifies an adverb. Here the word to modifies early and another adverb. So to is an adverb and early is an adverb. So an adverb modifies another adverb. So these are the adverbs. So adverbs means modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. So we have understood what are adverbs. Now we should move on to adverbial clauses. Look at the definition. An adverbial clause does the work of an adverb. Remember, an adverb modifies an adjective, a verb or another adverb. Similarly, a subclause modifies an adjective, a verb or another adverb. This is called adverbial clauses. Now it tells time, place, reason, result, purpose, condition, concession, comparison and manner. Now a chart will be shown. Through this chart, we are able to understand what are joining words used in adverbial clauses. Look at the chart. Time. In case of time, we find when, while, after, before, till, until, etc. Place. If we find the place, indicates place, then we find joining word where, wherever, etc. Reason, as, because, since, etc. If we find result, then we use so that, such that, so, etc. If we find purpose, we use list, in order that, etc. If we find condition, we use if, in case, unless, whether, etc. If we find concession, we use though, although, even if, etc. If we find comparison, we use then, as so, etc. And lastly, if we find manner, we find joining words as if, as though, just as, etc. So these joining words we find in adverbial clauses. Now see some examples of adverbial clauses. The first example, hit the road while it is hot. Okay, look at the underlined part while. It indicates adverbial clause and it is time sense. Now look the next example. Do it before you forget. Before indicates adverbial clause. Look at the third example. It hurts when I laugh. Okay, when indicates time and it indicates adverbial clause. Look at the fourth example. Adrija did not go to school because she was ill. Look at the word because. It indicates adverbial clause. Okay, and it also indicates reason, cause and effect. Number 5. Sneha is so weak that she cannot walk. So that indicates adverbial clause. Now see the next example. Walk carefully lest you should fall. Lest indicates adverbial clause and it indicates purpose. Now see the next example. If you do not work hard, you will fail. It indicates condition and each joining word indicates adverbial clause. Now look the next example. Though he is poor, he is honest. This indicates concession and though indicates adverbial clause. Now see the next example. He is as dull as he is lazy. This indicates comparison and as indicates adverbial clause. Now see the next example. She felt as if she had fever. So it indicates manner and as if indicates adverbial clause. For making this concept, I need to take help Highlights of English by P.K. Mukherjee. Hopefully all of you understand today's discussion. So much for the present. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.